Does the state have a witness that will go about a half hour exactly?
One very brief witness that we can do and be done for the day.
Please call your witness.
They call Bill Brannon.
Officer, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm the testimony you're about to give will be the truth?
I do.
You may take your seat. Please speak loudly and clearly.
Thank you. Will you introduce yourself to the jury and spell your name for our court reporter, please?
I'm Officer Brannon, number 510 with the Tallahassee Police Department, Brannon.
And where do you, you said you work at TPD. And how long have you been with TPD?
26 years, and I was with FSU PD for a couple years prior to that.
Okay. Now, did you respond to a crime scene on Trescott Drive on July 18th of 2014?
Yes.
And what time did you arrive?
Approximately 11:15.
When you arrived, was EMS and some other TPD officers already there?
Yes.
Okay. Was your role maintaining a crime scene perimeter that day on Trescott Drive?
That was one of the roles, yes.
Tell me about that. What does maintaining a crime scene perimeter mean?
Just keeping people out, redirecting traffic.
Okay, so are you putting up crime scene tape then?
Yes.
Okay, and making sure nobody comes in or out, no cars come through?
Correct.
So where was the crime scene tape on Trescott Drive that you were located next to?
I was a little ways north of the incident location on Trescott.
Okay. I want to, and when you were next to the crime scene tape, were you seated in your marked vehicle?
Yes.
And at that time, looking south down towards the incident location, was there EMS and marked police cars there in front of the Markel residence at the time?
EMS had already left the scene by the time I was in that position, but there was investigators, other officers, and crime scene units.
Okay. And when I say marked, as in your car's marked and their cars are marked, like TPD insignia, what we would typically see as a police car?
Yes.
Okay. Did I show you before court today a map that is marked as State's Exhibit 87?
Yes.
And was that map a true and accurate depiction of where you were stationed that day and of Trescott Drive and of the Markel residence on that road?
I believe so.
Judge, at this time I'd move into evidence State's Exhibit 87.
No objection.
State's 87 is admitted.
Motion to publish?
You may.
I have this for you. Point up there if you want to listen to this. Okay, so looking here at this map, I'll leave that off. Is this Thomasville Road right here,
Yes.
where I'm pointing? Okay. And is this orange arrow ABC Liquors?
I believe so.
Okay. This is Benton Road.
Yep.
All right. And then is this road over here Centerville Road?
Yes.
And the hospital would be somewhere in this area.
Correct.
Okay. So this yellow line, is this yellow line Trescott Drive?
Yes, ma'am.
And does the blue arrow show where the Markel residence, 2116 Trescott Drive was?
Yes.
Can you show me where you were located next to the crime scene tape, making sure no cars came by the crime scene?
Approximately where the little yellow marking was right there.
Okay, right where it says roadblock
Yep.
with the arrow? Okay. Now, from where you were stationed here at the crime scene tape, could you clearly see all of the marked police cars in front of the Trescott residence?
Yes.
Okay, and your marked police car was right there where we see the arrow as well?
Correct.
All right, if I'm turning onto Trescott Drive from Centerville Road, would I be able to see any of the activity over here or from this area on Trescott Drive?
No, not back over there.
And is that because the road curves around or winds around?
Yes.
While you were stationed there, did any vehicles approach your location on Trescott, encounter the roadblock, and have to turn around?
Yes, several vehicles.
Okay, did you notice a particular vehicle that pulled up that you notated in your report that day because it stood out to you?
Mid 2000s maroon or dark red Honda Odyssey van.
And are you familiar with that make and model and the year of van?
Yes, my family we actually still use it. My son uses it. 2006 Honda Odyssey.
Okay, so at the time, your family owned the same van,
Correct.
okay? And you said it was maroon in color, the one you saw that day?
Yes.
At the time, did you know that the ex-wife of the person who was killed drove that type of van?
Yes.
All right, I'm going to show you what's already been admitted as State's Exhibit 18. Was this vehicle consistent with the one you saw that day that turned at the roadblock?
Yes.
Were you able to see the driver of the van?
No.
About what time did the vehicle approach the roadblock?
Approximately 1 o'clock, somewhere in that range.
Okay, I think, did you say between 12 and 1 in
Somewhere in
your report?
there.
Okay. But don't know exactly the minute that it approached, okay. Was there anything unusual about the way the vehicle, or I guess the driver of the vehicle, behaved when the vehicle encountered the roadblock that stood out to you?
It wasn't fast or anything, but it was just a little more deliberate and pulling up, turning around, and leaving. The other vehicles, which is consistent with other times I've had to block roads, when vehicles pull up, they kind of stop and they're processing like, well, I can't go this way, and trying to think, well, where do I got to go now, etc. So this one didn't squeal tires or anything like that, but I mean, it was boom, 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 and out.
So just less hesitation.
Correct.
Did the driver of the vehicle ask you any questions?
No.
Did the driver of the vehicle question anybody else, any other officers there at the roadblock?
Not where I was.
They just
No.
turned around and went back towards Centerville?
Yes, ma'am.
That's all. Thank you.
Cross-examination.
No questions, Judge.
Officer, you may step down. Is the officer released or will he be recalled?
Sir,
Is the officer released or will he be recalled?
he is released. Thank you.
Have a good day.
Thanks, sir.